Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Finally, tap on this switcher next to Auto Brightness to switch it off or on. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu as well and tap on this icon next to Brightness slider to disable or enable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!